Hi, my name is Karen, and I'm doing a testimonial for Scott Sayer. I worked with him a couple years ago. We became very close friends as a result of that work, and he's a friend of a close friend of mine. Um, but he did some work with me on a traumatic experience that I'd had in my past that was hard to move on, past to get past it. And he did an exercise where he I would call it, I guess, coaching, healing work, deep inner work, along the lines of life coaching. And I've had a lot of that. But he was great in injecting had a very unique way of injecting love into my story, my narrative that I had around what had happened to me. And I kid you not, that the next morning when I woke up, I just I just felt very different, and I could tell that there was a healing that had quickly taken place. And now whenever, I rarely even think of that memory, but when I do, it's a whole different memory now with what we changed it to become. Um, Kind of like hypnosis in a way, but it wasn't. Kind of hard to explain, but that's the uniqueness and the giftedness that Scott has and is. He is also he's a wonderful chef. He does a lot of work with foods that heal for your particular situation that you're going through with your body, or what your health situation is, what your body needs. He helped me with a candida gut situation that I had. Um, he's very calming. He really listens. He's empathic. He's very patient, and he really provides a safe place for you to do that deep inner work. And you can really feel secure and safe just going into those, deep recesses of your mind and into maybe some painful places. And, if you need I'm a person with high values and morals, but in doing this work, I've done some, let expletives out, or, pound something or whatever, just to get things out and get that subconscious to a higher, awareness level. So anyway, yeah, he really helped me with that. And he's just he has an uncanny sense of intuition into, like, he just can pick up what people have gone through or are going through. He's just very naturally gifted at all the things he does. So if you're looking for healing, he's the man to contact. I went to a party of his recently and met a lot of his friends, and I knew it was going to be one of the most amazing parties I'd ever been to. And these were just incredible souls that attended, and it was just a delightful evening. And it just said a lot about who he is, as far as the people that I met. It said a lot about who he is. And even at the end of the party, I was helping clean up, and at the end of the party, what was he doing at his party, at his birthday party? He was sitting with a gentleman for quite an extended period of time. I wasn't, eavesdropping, but I noticed that, he was coaching him and helping him and trying to get him unstuck in his life. And it was just a beautiful, beautiful sight to see. So, yes, if you're looking for doing some healing work, deep inner work, or looking for help with foods that can heal your body, he does a lot of things musically as well. There's music lessons that he does. Like I said, he's just a very gifted entrepreneurial man, and he has a lovely wife as well. So I just strongly encourage you to look him up, text him, call him, and let him know what your needs are. I know when we did some work a couple years ago, I spent some time with him on the phone and just talked through what my needs were, and we created a plan. He's also very driven and goal oriented, and he'll help you, come up with a plan. And that's the difference I found between therapists or counselors and coaches or healing coaches, is that they give you goals, they give you a plan, and you go through your inner healing a lot faster. It's like a faster track by far, because I've done it all. I've done all the counseling, the therapy, and and I've had a couple of coaches. I think I've had, like I said, I've had 3 different coaches. So, and I've paid the money for the coaches. So I know what you're looking for, what works, what doesn't work. And I'd be happy to speak with any of you, as well, to share more about my experience or how he helped me. Again, my name is Karen. So, healing to all of you, and God bless. And yeah, look up Scott Sayre. All right. Thank you. God bless.